Welcome to KGS Digital Marketing. In this video, we are going to see about what is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Let me explain you in a simple way. Let's take a popular search engine called Google. When we search for example men's running shoes, it will show some of the results in the page called SERP, that is search engines results page. In order to get top ranking in the SERP, we need to optimize our business website by optimization methods involved in SEO. We need to do proper analysis, create a unique content, optimization for ranking on SERP. There are some optimization methods involved in SEO: on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and technical SEO, which is otherwise known as server-side optimization. This how SEO helps to rank organically without running ads on the top of the SERP in order to get more lead generation. Hope you understand the concept about SEO. If you like this video, give a like, do subscribe our channel. If you want a video on a topic regarding digital marketing, please comment below. We will make a video on it. Thanks for watching.